video. Time to eat some blood.
Oh. Road trip. Side of the road. Minor technical difficulties. Don't know what happened. His car just broke down. It's like overheating.
If you turn on the heat in the car, then the car will stop overheating. My dad told me that, and it actually works. I remember that.
Can you turn on the heat in the car?
Yeah. So I told him, I think one trick you taught me was to turn the heat on, right?
That's an old trick.
But I realized since it's Vietnam, they don't even have a heat function. So we're like pulled off to the side of the road here. Is there like another trick or something that we could try?
Well, it sounds to me like, okay, now did it start spitting up water? You spitting up your radiator solution?
Just grabbing some hot corn on the cob. While Haas' husband goes to fix the car, get the car fixed, so we can continue our journey.
So the car broke down and the husband had to stay back to get it fixed. So we ended up taking the bus. Yes, yes. Xin chào Hân. Xin chào Vân, cô chào Vân. Đây là my mother. Her name is Tiến. 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 Xin chào. It means forward. Okay. Yeah. My father, his name is Trung. So we are here now in, what is the name of the city? Thao. Bai Bang. We are in Thao, Bai Bang. Province. Okay. Yeah, that's the province. What she said. We make nem. And
the
this
famous
is
food of Vietnam.
Famous food?
My mother say that you are very beautiful.
Oh, come on.
Bố là người Cameroon.
It's a puppy dog.
He's a bird.
Chicken?
A lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch how it's done.
Success.
The Nam King. Nami.
How many you want to eat? Eat with beer.
Oh, with beer, even better.
She's not gonna eat 6 of them. Her stomach is only big enough for 2.
No.
Some doves just showed up.
Now we're gonna put the nam in the pan and we're gonna cook the nam. No McDonald's around here. So we began talking about the history and culture throughout Vietnam, and our host explained to us the very traditional process of marriage, and also how it's adapted to modern times.
So for 10 years after they get married, the new wife has to move in with her in-laws, her husband's parents. And for 10 years, she has to do everything by herself. She has to cook, clean, whatever they need, she has to do it. Sometimes, occasionally, the husband will help out, but for 98% of the time, it's her for 10 years. And can you imagine like living like in someone else's house, like working for them, and then they don't even like appreciate it or like you for it?
Yeah. To wash clothes.
Yes.
Oh.
And clean the floor,
Yeah.
everything.
Everything. Isn't that make you tired?
Yes, very tired. This is a cake. Famous cake at home in Vietnam.
Oh, okay.
We usually eat in the holiday New Year. The holiday New Year holiday.
Okay. So you okay, so you only eat this New Year's and holidays.
Rồi đi. Còn chưa chưa xong.
Feels so good, watch some TV.
Nối bài đi con, nối 5 phút.
Tell your brother that this is, I think this is delicious.
Absolutely. Delicious, yeah.
Is that right? Oh.
Nó bảo là nói với mẹ là cái bánh này rất ngon.
I don't know what that is. Is it,
This is a blue. Blue.
oh, blood. Oh, okay.
This red.
So say what we thought it was.
There's some dark, cute things. Turns out it's chicken blood,
So blood. Chicken blood.
and it's very delicious.
Did you get some in your bowl?
I'm about to grab some.
Các loại phổi
So this right here is
Part of
the
chicken.
chicken. And you're going to eat it. You like?
And I eat half of every
Every animal.
Yes.
Gio, time to eat some blood.
Oh,
So Gio's gonna give this a go.
very delicious. And you can like really taste the chili peppers and the lime comes out with each bite. The texture is the texture of almost like a string, like a chewy cheese
Okay.
is what it is.
There's a famous popular food here in Vietnam and it's called Gio. Not really, it's called
Yeah.
Dough. But it's
Dough.
spelled Dough?
Dough.
But it's spelled like
G-I-O.
B-I-O, which
Ha's father had the most birds in his upstairs area. Very impressive. A collection of probably over 20 different types of birds, from roosters to pigeons and everything in between.
who is gobbling over here?
You two are aggressive. You're trying to like get in there to them or something.
These are the ones that they fight, aren't they?
It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. That's all I want you to know. I'm stuck to what I'm in the mirror.
There's a, I guess like an altar sort of, and a sort of place where they come to pray, and as you can see they put out as an offering. So after a really fun, eventful day, we are now heading back to Hanoi and pack up our stuff because tomorrow we go to Indonesia.